In 2026, standard PCBs are easy to buy online, but to build next-gen medical devices, aerospace sensors, or industrial controllers, standard is your biggest obstacle. What you need is custom manufacturing services that understand